Now to define diaphragm on our structure, we have to click here define, then diaphragms, and already here a diaphragm predefined. We'll use that on, no problem. I'll just go here for modify or show diaphragm, and if you want to add, you can just add here, select rigid or semi-rigid. Okay, so I will come here, modify, and also same option are available here. Now it's a name just, but rigidity. Okay, so which types of rigidity will select, rigid or semi-rigid? Which one we have to select? It's very important. So to understand that, I'll come here, no problem. I will share that slide with you. See, in our course on that, I mean here. So see, roof, floor or other membrane or bracing system acting to transfer lateral force to the vertical moment frame resting system. It's a main wind force resting system for analyze under wind load. Diaphragm constructed of untopped steel deck, concrete filled steel deck and concrete slab, each having a span depth, must remember, each having a span to depth ratio of 2 or less, shall be permitted to be initialized as rigid. Okay, diaphragm constructed of wood structure planes are permitted to be idealized as flexible, that means semi-rigid or something. So you may understand, slab having is span to depth ratio of 2 or less. Okay, so for all of our slab, span to depth ratio of slab. So in this case, we are able to use rigid or semi-rigid. You have to understand that, and this is from ASC 716 section 2.6 definition, page 4245 from PDF. Okay, so we'll go for rigid. Definitely I'll click here and rigid should be selected, and then you can change its name also as per your requirement or as per your so I'll click OK. So this is the way to define our diaphragm. Now we'll go for assigning our diaphragm.